Oh my God. The car isn't there. We got some updates we've got to do here. Today, September 1st, marks 60 days cigarette free.
Wait, Steve, no!
But anyways, yes, 60 days cigarette free. I don't even have a destination in mind. Talking crosswalk.
Wait.
My weight, I managed to get it down to 228. And then I started enjoying too much food. And this morning I get on the scale and I'm back at 240. And I have not gotten to ride as much as I want to. I have not been sticking to my diet. And I put a lot of weight back on. But I am losing it today. Now the depression thing and the suicidal thoughts, they have come back and bit me in the ass lately, but I think that's again due to my diet. The fact that I haven't been on the bike as much. Wanting to get on the bike, but losing that inspiration. And then September 1st rolls around, it's like, oh shit. Now I gotta go out and ride a bike, and I kinda have to. And now I did it, I'm out. And it was supposed to be 5 miles. Well, I just took a guaranteed 15-mile route, and I might extend it. So we'll see. I'm gonna get off here, focus on the road a little bit, and I will see all you beautiful people in about, well, for you a second, for me probably 30 minutes, I don't know, we'll see. Woo! I'm hoping that the exit off the main road to the Greenway is still open because of this construction. We're about to find out though. Looks like it's still available. It's pretty jacked up, but it is open. Holy shit, I forgot how tall this was. Got out here on the Greenway and it was it's a lot more peaceful. That water's up really high. Try to get a feel for how fast this water's gonna move while I go to put my foot down. But not too bad. I just gotta make sure I got a good foot plant. That's all. I just gotta make sure I got my feet planted. I should have worn my waterproof shoes. Okay, this is right where we're getting ready to show you, where I'm gonna show you, is where we always jump down. I'm gonna try to put together a before and after of how high that dam is compared to what it usually is. Well, it's good to know that my phone call made them come out here and do something, because now they've put plates down and they've marked areas that need to be taken care of. All right, I just want to take this opportunity really quick. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. I make it up as I go along, people. Freaking exhausted. It's starting to catch up with me. Every time I stop, it just creeps up on me. I mean, it's not hot out here, but I'm over 13 miles at this point on a bunch of runs that were over. I didn't get the condition or train like I wanted to, and I'm feeling it. So I'm gonna have to train as I do this journey. I gotta find 1.2 miles. I gotta find it somehow. I gotta find 1.2 miles. And I know how to do it, but it's longer, and I don't really wanna do it. Well, by the end of this, I will have hit 15 miles. And I want to thank you all that made it this far, that literally finished the video out. I really appreciate every single second you guys spend with me. And I love the time that I get to spend hanging with you guys. So make sure you take the like button out on a date. And then when the check comes, go to the bathroom, but leave. just hit the like button. Uh-oh. And if you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn it gray. And if you really like me, hit that bell. But I'm gonna stop filming because traffic's picking up again. And I will see all of you beautiful people later.